Don't end this day carrying what God is asking you to surrender. Before you sleep tonight, let's place every pain, every fear, and every burden into the hands of the one who still heals. Lord, as this day comes to a close, I kneel before you believing the day is behind me now, and whatever it carried, the pain, the pressure, the ache I've been carrying in my body and in my spirit, I bring it all to you, because you are the God who heals. You are the God who sees every hidden wound, every tired place in me that no one else can reach. Tonight, I ask for your mercy. Lord, have mercy on me, not because I have done everything right, but because your mercy has never depended on my perfection. Your word tells me that your mercies are new every morning, that your compassion never fails. So tonight, I lay down every guilt, every place where I felt unworthy of healing, and I ask you to be merciful to me. I don't have to perform for you. I arrive tired and honest. Lord, I ask you now for revival. Revive what has grown weary in me. Revive the hope that has grown thin, the faith that has felt distant, the strength that has slipped away in the middle of hard seasons. You are the God who breathes life into dry bones, who takes what looks lifeless and fills it again with breath and purpose. So breathe on me tonight. Breathe into the places in my body that need restoration, into the places in my spirit that have felt tired for too long. Let your spirit move through me, and let everything that felt dead begin to stir again. I don't need to understand how you do it. I only need to trust that you are able and willing. Restore me, Lord, where sickness has tried to settle in my body. Restore it with your strength. Where sleepless nights have worn down my mind, restore it with your peace. Where sorrow has taken root in my heart, restore it with your joy. You are the Lord who restores the years the locusts have eaten, who rebuilds what was broken and makes it stronger than before, the kind only you can give. Restore my body to health. Restore my spirit to strength. Restore my mind to rest. Let this season of struggle become a testimony of what you did, not a permanent condition I have to live inside. And Lord, before I close my eyes tonight, I want to thank you. Thank you for the prayers you have already answered, even the ones I almost forgot I prayed. Thank you for the healing that has already begun, even in ways I cannot yet fully see. Thank you for the doors you opened when I thought they were shut, for the strength you gave me on days I didn't think I could stand, for the peace you placed in my heart when everything around me felt uncertain. You have been faithful before, and I trust you to be faithful again. So tonight, I don't only bring requests, I bring gratitude. I remember what you've already done, and it reminds me that you are not finished. Lord, I trust you with my body tonight. I trust you with every organ, every cell, every place I cannot see and cannot fix on my own. You formed me, you know me completely, and you are able to heal what medicine cannot always reach, and what worry can never fix. So I release my body into your hands tonight, and I ask you to work while I rest. Let this sleep be more than rest for my mind. Let it be a place where you do quiet, powerful work in me. I trust you with my heart tonight. Where there has been heaviness, replace it with peace that surpasses understanding. Where there has been fear about what's ahead, replace it with the confidence that comes from knowing you go before me. I don't have to carry tomorrow's weight tonight. I lay it down, and I trust that you already hold it. Lord, thank you that I do not walk through this healing process alone. Thank you that your presence is with me, even in the dark, and even when the answer hasn't fully arrived yet. Help me to rest, not because everything is already resolved, but because I trust the one who is resolving it. Let my faith be steady, even in the in-between. Let me sleep tonight, not in anxious hope, but in settled trust, knowing that you are near, that you are working, and that you will not leave me the way you found me. Bring healing to my sleep tonight. Let it be deep. Let it be peaceful. Let my body recover what it has lost through stress, sickness, or sorrow. Let my mind be quiet from racing thoughts, and let my spirit settle into the kind of rest that only comes from you. If there are ways my body needs to heal that I don't even know to ask for, I trust you to move in those hidden places too. You know what I need better than I know myself. And Lord, as I drift into sleep, let this be my final thought, that your mercy covers me, that your revival is stirring in me, that your restoration is already underway, and that I have every reason to be grateful, because you have never failed me yet. I release this night into your hands. Watch over me as I sleep. Let me wake up stronger, lighter, and more whole than I was before. Let this be a night where healing moves quietly and powerfully, even while I rest. Thank you, Lord, for hearing this prayer. Thank you for meeting me here in this quiet, honest moment. I trust you completely with my body, my mind, my heart, and every unanswered question I still carry. You are enough for all of it. In Jesus'